my name is Yvonne, and today we're going to see 8 words in which the L sound is not pronounced. Number 1, walk, walk. I love taking long walks. Number 2, talk, talk. Do you know you talk too much? Number 3, salmon, salmon. I love eating grilled salmon. Number 4, would, would. Would you like some coffee? Number 5, could, could. Could you speak slower, please? Number 6, should, should. You should study more. Number 7, half, half. The class starts at 7:30. And number 8, chalk, chalk. Teachers don't use chalk anymore. So that's that for now. See you. Bye-bye.